You don't have to stop enjoying. Only the rule is you have to enjoy only prasadam. Prasadam means mercy of the Lord. Lord is saying, enjoying with me. Come on, look at me, how beautiful I am. Enjoy. Enjoy. Use your eyes and enjoy me. I am giving you nice prasadam. Enjoy. Taste is never alone. Taste plus love plus knowledge that it is given by Krishna. It's pure Mahaprasade Govinde. Krishna badadaya moi koribar jeva joy. Similarly, enjoy bhakti rasa. Enjoy reading Leelas of Krishna and his devotees. In spiritual world, senses are full of enjoyment. In fact, the devotees control their sensual enjoyment because sometimes it disturbs the service to the Lord. The Lord is very merciful. Even in this material body, lot of enjoyment is given to us. We can peacefully execute devotional service. We are all amsha, means we are dependent. We can never be independent. You are maintained by Him. You are taken care by Him.